Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for stopping by the channel. So for this video, I just have a quick double unboxing for you guys. These are my last two watch purchases for the year 2022. Both were impulse buys because, you know, there's usually a lot of good deals this time of year. This smaller box here is a purchase I made from the Hudson Bay Company. They're a large Canadian retailer. They had a friends and family sale on a lot of Casio and Seiko models. So I'm going to be unboxing my latest G-Shock here. With the friends and family discount, it ended up being something like 70% off retail, which is absolutely insane. And then with this hefty box here in front of me, I made a purchase from an authorized dealer for Sinn German watches. This was based out west in Calgary. I didn't get any discount on this watch, but they actually happen to have a very limited edition piece I've been eyeing. So we're going to unbox that in a second as well. I'm going to start off with this G-Shock though, so let's get started. Wow, they blew the lid off this already? And here it is, guys. This is the full metal gold G-Shock. Now, in the past, I've owned the full metal silver, which surprisingly I thought was too reflective and flashy. This gold, I just think doesn't take itself too seriously, and it's a great all-around watch. It does have a negative display, which to me is a slight negative, but I really just like this gold color. And it feels super hefty as well. So really looking forward to wearing this guy in the new year. Alright, so let's move on to this larger package that I purchased from J. Vayer Anderson in Calgary. Again, authorized dealer for Sinn and some other cool brands you don't typically see here in London, Ontario. So just before I actually open up the watch here, very kindly they sent me a cool Sinn catalog, and this is one of the perks of buying from an authorized dealer. If you ask nicely, sometimes they'll give you some swag. And this appears to be a mug, which I'm really curious to see. Oh yeah, that's actually going to be one of my favorite mugs moving ahead in the new year. Really cool to have this. You don't typically see Sinn mugs, so thanks a lot. Alright, moment of truth. Let's check out the latest addition to my watch collection from Sinn. Maybe that gave it away just a little bit here. It is indeed a 556, one of a limited edition of only 400 per colorway. The question is, and maybe pause the video and guess now, which one did I end up picking up from this Canadian authorized dealer? And here we go. Oh yeah. So this is the Sinn 556i. This is known as the Citron Yellow dial. And I ended up paying full retail for this, but that doesn't bother me at all because these watches now fetch a premium considering that they are limited edition. And honestly, just look at how it really plays with the light. These dials have a nice varnish or kind of a subtle texture to them. And I'll admit, I purchased this watch because I watched another YouTuber that I really enjoy, Peter Kotza. He did his State of a Collection video for end of 2022. This was the first watch that he featured in his collection, and he actually purchased 3 different colorways for this exact same watch, which to me was kind of cool but a little bit crazy at the same time. So I'm really happy to be owning a Sinn 556 back in the collection. This is a timepiece that I've bought and sold numerous times. I've had the 556 in numerous colorways and configurations. So hopefully this one stays in the collection for some time. Really digging the pop of color. So this has been my quick unboxing of my 2 latest watches. The Casio full metal gold G-Shock, as well as the limited edition Sinn 556i in yellow. If you do enjoy this content, please consider subscribing to the channel And as always, I can't wait to catch you guys in the next video.